Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vlada. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and share the video. Today I'm going to show you how to diminish the appearance of dark skin under the arms. I suffer from this issue, but I've found a super simple beauty hack that's easy to follow and will instantly brighten the skin. Before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. The first ingredient we're going to use is rice powder. This ingredient acts as a great exfoliant. Next, we'll add a half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties which penetrate the skin better than any other oil. It also helps to sweep away dead skin. Next is a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda also acts as a great exfoliant. Next, we're going to add some tomato juice by grating up the sliced tomato. Tomato not only removes dead skin, they also contain plenty of vitamin C, which is quite helpful if you want to brighten and lighten your underarms. We'll use about 2 tablespoons of tomato juice once you're done grating it up. Mix all of the ingredients well, and then you'll be ready to apply. Before we move on, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click the little bell to ensure that you get notified anytime I upload a video. The easiest way to apply this mixture is with a toothbrush. Go ahead and raise your arm and apply an even layer all over the trouble spots underneath your arms. This process can get a little bit messy, so make sure that you're not wearing any really nice tank tops or anything like that. Once you've applied the mixture to the entire area, allow it to set for about 30 minutes. Once it's thoroughly penetrated the skin, take a washcloth or a towel and gently wipe it away. You'll see a difference instantly. No longer will you need to shy away from tank tops and bathing suits. Now you'll be sexy and sleeveless all summer long. I hope you found this beauty hack to be useful. Let us know in the comments down below if you decide to try it for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye bye!